Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to give you an update. So we have good news. Good news. I was gonna record. I posted a message on the community tab, but a lot of you guys, let me just show you. You probably don't read the community tab. I'm not sure, but over here, 18 hours ago, I didn't record because my mic at home is not great. I'd rather use my Yeti over here. All right, so I brought, hi students, I had a really nice meeting. So everything went well with CompTIA. The person I spoke to, she explained licensing and everything. I was so concerned because after like your third strike, your channel gets removed. Like they just shut you down. So it's not, I can't even imagine like the feelings, how emotional you work so hard. And this past year, I've worked so hard creating content for my students and taking requests from all of you guys, not only my students, but around the country. And so, students were like, I need this lab. I was sure, I'll film it, tomorrow. I'll get it to you. So I felt like you always put me to work, which was great because I feel like I finished the entire curriculum and just about every video is on there. And even when students reach out with, it was not Office Pro, PC Pro, I started helping with that. But again, that wasn't my passion. I only helped just because I'm a teacher and I like to help students. But my whole passion is Office, and that entire curriculum is on the website. So the problem is that I can't put it publicly. So a lot of my videos, I started just putting everything public, and there were so many views. And then it got to the point where students were reaching out and they were like, I'll just pay anything. Just create this video. Like, I really need help. I'm stuck. Just please publish this. And they were giving me work to do. And I, did the work, and then memberships opened, and I was like, let me try this. Like, I feel like I'm working real hard. Let me try to set up a membership. And then from there, it kind of grew. And I didn't put a lot of videos on membership, just a few. And now, after talking to CompTIA, I understand what, they're trying to make money. Obviously, they're a company. They work with a ton of school districts. Like my school district, we have many, many programs from them. So putting all the content for free is not... It's so hard. I'm a strong believer in education. Everything should be free, but I understand it's like you pay for college, you pay for, textbooks, you pay for, you do pay for knowledge. And a lot of, especially companies who are providing these platforms and this curriculum, and a curriculum that's not even mine. So I was just more so grateful that they said I don't have to remove my videos, but I do have to keep it private, only for my students, and keep it on membership. So if you notice my channel, all my test out, every video is on membership. And as far as them determining whether it's for my students or not, after talking with them, it's kind of like an honor system. I don't even know who are my students, because if you look at some of these YouTube channel names, like, it's not even your first and last name, first of all. Then you have these accounts that a lot of them are faceless. It's time consuming to even try to figure out, a lot of them, they don't have any information, or they open up the channel and then they're deleted. I have members who sign up, I guess they join, and then they delete their channel. So I feel like a lot of middle school, high school, college students, sometimes I'm like, are you guys scam artists? I don't know what's going on, because you guys change your phone numbers, your email addresses, your accounts. It's like you have a YouTube, then you don't have a YouTube, then you have a new YouTube account, or you have a TikTok or a Cash App, and then you have a new account. I can't keep up. So, and I'm pretty sure YouTube, there's no way for us to determine whether you are my student or not. So just ask your teacher for help. I'm just going to tell you what they told me. Just tell them not to be a member unless you are my student in my classes. So, and we just go by the honor system, I guess. Like I said, I can't tell a lot of the times who's my student and who's not. But what I will do also is I'm going to keep all this membership, like the levels, the same. Any other future video that you might need help with, I can make it, and then I would run it by them. So I told them I would just ask them, show them the content and get the okay. Because the last thing I want to do is get another copyright strike. So far so good. We only have one strike. It gets removed in a couple months. I got to look at the details. And then, like I said, I have this, let me share this tab. So this is my class website. And what I did here is also kind of post videos. And then for my students, it's just going to be an alternative, also private. You can pay. It's going to be much less than YouTube. So I'll probably give me some time to start uploading everything. But it's probably just going to be like $1.99 just for like one video. A lot of you just email me, and it is time consuming when I have to like download the video and I email you back just that one video you have. So I'd rather just do it this way, and that way you can just come here, find the video, and just pay like the $2. It's going to be very affordable. And like I said, I'm a business teacher. So if you need help making money, I have all the ideas for you in high school. And a lot of you guys are in middle school or even college, where you can start working. You can work from home, do a lot of side hustles, stuff like that. So we have good news. So thank you for following me, for watching all my content. I love Test Out. Now CompTIA bought them out, so it's a little bit, even using it, slightly different. You see like the change of when you log in, like the logo, the color, the look of it. Minor changes. I think the content is pretty much all the same. And so it's good news. So we have a lot of good news today. Today is Valentine's Day. So enjoy your day. I'm going to do possibly a grand tour today. Until next time, thanks for watching. I am so grateful, CompTIA. Thank you so much. And then some of the learning lessons, you guys, I love to make mistakes because I'd rather teach you guys, and I rather see you guys not make the same mistakes. So those student YouTubers, when I first joined YouTube and when I got denied monetization, I kept explaining to you the tips and what you have to do, because I started learning and looking at other YouTubers and seeing what they had to do. So if you are using other people's curriculum, music, get permission. If you do get in trouble or get a copyright strike, don't run away from your problems. Address them quickly. Get the person in charge. If I were to ignore it, I would definitely probably get a second and then a third strike and be shut down. So you never know how that conversation is going to go, good or bad. And you learn. You learn that, in the future, if I'm using anyone's, either the book or, whatever the case may be, reach out to that publisher, reach out to the owner, see how you guys can work together so you can share the content with others in the right way. All right. So thanks for watching. So good and bad, I guess you can say. And I'm just grateful. I'm grateful to have, here are my student entrepreneurs, to have 4,000 subscribers. And I'm going to continue to post content. And let me get my door. Thanks. Bye. Coming.